How to go live on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the TikTok application. As you launch the TikTok application, simply make sure you're logged into your account. Now, in order to go live on TikTok, there are basically two requirements over here. So one being you must be 18 years or older, and next is you must have at least 1000 followers on TikTok. So as I tap on my profile over here, you can see there are only 4 followers. So I'm going to tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and as I do that, it will take me to a new page where you can see the camera icons, the gallery, where you can see the photo, text, and the video options. But there's no options to go live over here, simply because I only have 4 followers and particularly less than 1000 followers on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.